One bite.
One scratch
can make a difference.
Between life and death.
Rabies is a serious public health problem.
Every year,
It kills an estimated 59,000 people worldwide. At ang Pilipinas,
Pang-anim sa may pinakamaraming kaso ng rabies sa buong mundo.
with more than 450 reported cases in 2024.
Rabies is a viral disease transferred to humans
Through the saliva of an infected animal.
There is no cure.
once the symptoms are present.
and it kills.
It kills. It kills.
It kills.
Both humans?
And pets.
Kung nakagat ka naman,
Wash your wound with soap and water for at least 15 minutes.
Disinfect.
And go to the nearest clinic or animal bite center.
Rabies is fatal.
but 100% preventable. May magagawa tayo.
May magagawa tayo.
May magagawa tayo.
Responsibilidad mo bilang pet owner na pabakunahan ng iyong alaga taon-taon.
Take care of your pet.
Bathe it.
Feed it.
And provide clean sleeping quarters for it.
And as you show them love,
Remember that there are also millions of stray dogs and cats in the Philippines. Kailangan din nila ang ating kalinga.
gawin natin ang ating parte.
If you love your pet,
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 Be a responsible pet owner.
Be a responsible pet owner.
Protect yourself. Protect your pet.
protect your community.
And save lives today.